When you open Blender, all you have is a cube, a camera and a light. But that might not be what you want. Maybe you like to sculpt and you want several parameters to be on or off, so you want another startup file. Okay, let's put on this view and in the edit mode put the X symmetry. And let's say I want to do symmetrical things. So let's make some modifications and great. I want this for a start. It's not important. Okay, this is my startup file. So I don't need this light, let's say. So I'm gonna delete it. Okay, no light, a camera here. I'm gonna put the camera right here and this is gonna be my startup file. So let's save this startup file, overwrite, and let's close this file. So now let's open Blender again and see the startup file has been modified. You can do whatever you want. It depends on your goals. So that was just a quick tip. Don't forget to subscribe. The next video should be scene creation.